How to log into Badoo with email or phone. Open the Badoo app on your Android phone. Make sure you have the latest version installed from the Play Store. Now tap Quick Sign In. This will take you to the login options. You will see options like Google, phone, email, Facebook. Tap on email or phone to continue. Type in the number you used to create your Badoo account. Then tap continue. Tap OK. Badoo will send you a verification code. Enter that verification code. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your Badoo profile. And that's it. You are now logged in and ready to swipe, chat, and meet new people. Stay safe and have fun. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.